on yesterday's session? Video player completed. Still errors you are getting. How many of you getting errors? నీకు ఖచ్చితంగా అరవింద్ వేరే ల్యాప్టాప్లో వస్తుందా పట్రా నెక్స్ట్ గర్ల్స్ అందరికి వచ్చేసిన అవుట్పుట్లు ఎంతమందికి రాలేదు అవుట్పుట్స్ ఎక్కడో సౌండ్ వచ్చింది రాలేదని చెప్పి ఎవరికి ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్ వాట్ అబౌట్ యూరే ఓకే ఫైన్ అరవింద్ నీకు ఒకటికే మళ్ళీ చూద్దాం ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ ఓకే నాకు చిన్న హెల్ప్ కొద్దిగా క్లాస్ జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ ఐ కాంట్ speak, okay? Again and again, I can't speak. So be properly listen the classes. One small favor, at least 2 to 3 days I want to back up for me. Okay? Yeah. So please concentration on the session. Yeah, guys. So what we discussed in yesterday's session till it ref concept has been completed. So yesterday we used ref also, props also, state also, and components also. If you observe all the 4 classes we did, 4 classes we used here. Okay. Now when we need to use the ref, when I want to do the DOM manipulations, remember this point, ma. When I want to do direct DOM manipulations, at that time I need to use the ref concept. Okay. And next one, DOM manipulation directly means video play, video plus, audio play, audio pass, and input values, input focusing things. At that cases, we need to use the ref concept. Is it clear? Sir, everywhere can I use a ref concept? Yes, we can use everywhere, but try to avoid the ref as much as possible. Because why I'm telling you to avoid that one means, so React is famous for the virtual DOM. Because of the virtual DOM, we don't having the reloading issues. We are getting the data properly. But once you are using the ref concept, what is happening here? It is going to target directly the real DOM. It is affecting for us, right? So then again, we are going to reverse manner only. So due to that reason, try to avoid the ref as much as possible. We can use the states and props in that cases. Okay. So then why we need to learn for videos and audios? We don't have any option. We have only one option. That is nothing but a ref here. Is it clear? Now, by using the ref, we can handle the forms also. Okay. Without ref also, we can handle the form. With ref also, we can handle the form. The next concept which we are going to discuss is nothing but a forms concept. Okay. One of the important one, because in a HTML also told forms are very, very important concept. When we went for the JavaScript last projects, you get to know that why I'm telling that much of important. Here also same way, forms concept is a very, very important for us. I'm telling the upcoming classes scenarios what we are going to do there. Okay. So first one, we are going to learn the forms. Totally, we have 2 types of forms are there, controlled and uncontrolled forms. Both we will learn. After that, controlled forms also, we have some techniques are there to avoid the unnecessary things. That one also we will learn. After that, we are going to create one CRUD operations. We are going to create one CRUD operations, updating, deleting, etc. things we are going to do now. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, this is the upcoming 4 session scenario. 4 sessions partner 5 sessions partner only. Forms will take nearly 4 sessions. My guess, I'm taking it as a 4 classes. If more than that, it is going also fine for us. Not at all a issue for us because control forms easily we can complete. But when it is uncontrolled forms, easily we can complete because we will not focus that much on that because just one of the ways there to learn that one. But control forms is a very, very important for us because everything we will write in the controlled way only. Okay, that everything we have a handling the checkboxes, handling the radio buttons, everything we will understand in the controlled forms. Is it clear, guys? This is the upcoming 4 classes plan. Okay. So once the form is completed, then we are moving to the advanced concepts. Once the form is completed, basic level Java React JS is completed, ma. Basic level. From that time, concepts, no new concepts. State props, state props. Just we need to understand how we are handling those things with the advanced concepts. Okay. When enter into the form means almost your React JS basics has been completed. So be prepared, be clear on the state and the props. When we need to use the state, how to use the props. Everything should be clear in your minds. Is it clear? Shall we start session now? Okay. So the thing which we are going to discuss about that one means nothing but a forms concept. So now you can have us some theory about the forms. Conditional rendering completed, right? Yeah. Yeah, guys, forms. So what is the use case of forms in HTML? Also, we learned the forms. Why we are using the form? Collect the data from the users. That is nothing but a form. Collecting the data from the users. That is nothing but a form here. How many types of forms we have means totally we have a two types, controlled and uncontrolled. So control uncontrolled forms we will make by using the controlled. We are control forms we are using the by using the state things. Uncontrolled we will create by using the ref concepts. ఇక్కడ దాకా రాసుకోండి, then I will show you the uncontrolled forms data. Yeah, guys, done. This is nothing but uncontrolled forms. So uncontrolled forms are released as a DOM itself handle. It means what I told. DOM itself, it means inside the directly we are going to target the real DOM and we are handling the forms. That is nothing but a uncontrolled forms we will call. Now uncontrolled forms is what is the meaning of this uncontrolled? Directly we are handling the DOM things, ma. So what are the advantages in the uncontrolled forms? It means what are the characteristics of that one means no need to handle the state. Because why we need to handle directly I'm targeting the current objects and we are taking the data. So it means directly I'm targeting that particular element and I'm taking this data. So due to that reason, no need to use the state management here. Directly, what we will use, directly we will target the element from there only we are going to taking the data. How means? By using the ref concept. By using the use ref. Yeah, guys, done, huh? Arvind completed, huh? Okay. Now I will start working on the uncontrolled forms now. CMD. Now npm create void at the rate latest hyphen hyphen space hyphen hyphen template react project name I forgot to give. So uncontrolled forms. First, what we need to do? We need to delete the SRC. SRC deleted. Now SRC. Inside this, what I need to create ma? Main.jsx. So create root. Again requirements. Import create root for React DOM client. Create root of. So document dot get element by ID of root. So after that dot render method of. So I need to create the app component, right? So simply I'm going to create one app dot JSX RFC. So inside this one, I need to import that one app. Okay, if I will go and check here. Guys, voice clarity ga undiga? Okay. So npm run dev. So I have a URL is there. Yes, app component is running here. So successfully my app is running here. External browser also I will go here. My app is successfully running here. Okay. And next one, what I'm going to do now. Yeah, guys, you have an announcement is there. First announcement is for the full stack students, CRT classes. Okay, CRT classes from the 4th June, timing is 11 a.m. The classes should be held on the JNTU branch. Okay, JNTU branch. There is 11 o'clock batches. And in your friends or relatives, anybody is saying about the DevOps or the data science batches. So the new batches has been starting from DevOps batch. DevOps with multi-cloud will be starting from the 4 p.m. 10th June in the KVHP branch only. Okay, from the 10th June, the new batch going to start at the time of 4. And next one, data science, 10:30 a.m. Same day, 10:30 a.m. JNTU branch. Clear? CRT classes, 11 a.m. 4th June. Okay, in the JNTU branch, say multi-cloud with DevOps, 4 p.m. 10th June. And coming to data science and AI, JNTU branch, 10:30 a.m. 4th June. If your friends or relatives or anybody seeing for the DevOps or the data science, you can refer them. Okay, guys. Now come to the topics again. All full stack, Ray. Not Python or all full stacks. Okay, so app.jsx it is rendering for me. Now inside that I'm going to create the one more folder components. Now inside this one form. What I need to display here? Uncontrolled forms, right? Forms.jsx. Okay, guys. So how to get that one? RAFCE. Okay, RAFCE. Now where I need to dump this one? Inside the app. Uncontrolled forms. That's it. Okay, ma. So any simple form we will take casually. So for suppose any registration form or else or any login form. Which one will take registration or login? registration. Okay. So simply first I need to create the one form tag. Inside this one, I'm going to use as a aside. Inside this one, I'm going to use as a label. So inside this name of the person, and after that input. Okay, so aside, again label, email, and after that input, I'm going to make it as a email. వద్దులే text అనే పెట్టుకుందాం, or else I need to write every time email. So aside, so for the aside label, I can use as a password. Password, again I'm going to use the input tag. So at the last, what I have aside, name, email, password, mobile number. Yeah, free only. Re. Mobile number. After that, I'm going to take the input. Okay. So at the last, what I have, submit is there, right? I need to make it as a submit. So if I'll go and check in the UI, now I'm getting that particular data. So here inside this, I need to have a button. Button tag, submit. Now you guys can check. It should be looking like this. So what is my requirement? Once I enter all the data, just I want to print in my console log statements. That is my requirement here. So in the JavaScript, how we are doing? We are accessing the HR input field or else form data we are using, and we are getting the data and we are displaying the data. Now inside the React, how we need to do? Either we need to use the state concept or the we need to create the multiple refs here. Contact with the admin, so they just given me like that only. Okay, guys. Now what I need to do now, how many I have? Name, email, password, mobile number. Then how many ref I need to create? Four refs individually I need to target. Now simply what I'm going to do now. Now let name ref equals to use ref of. Now along with that, let email equals to use ref of. It means email ref ma. Now same like that, what we have? Password ref. Same like that, I have a mobile number ref. That's it. Okay. So now how to connect this one to the input field? Which attribute I need to use ma? Already we used it, right? Which attribute I need to use? Now again I need to use the ref only. Ref name ref. So here what I need to do? Ref email ref. Now password ref password ref. Now mobile number ref mobile ref. Is it clear, all of you? Now, after that one, what I need to do when I submit that, I want to print that data. So for that case, I need to write the function. Let handle submit equals to one function. One function I'm going to use now. So inside this one, what I need to do now, let details equals to one object I'm going to create now. So name. Now, name is there means which value I need to take ma? Name ref only, right? So simply I need to use name ref dot current dot value. That's it. It means current dot value. So what is the meaning of this one? I'm going to target the name ref. Inside that is targeting to the current object. Inside that object, I have a value properties. That one only I want here. So same to same like that. I have a email also, password also, along with what we have name, email, password, mobile number. So what I need to do? Console log of details. That's it. So when I need to call this function, when I submit the form, simply here we need to use the on submit. On submit, handle, submit. That's it. Even? Huh? Okay. Email ref, password ref, mobile number ref. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Now what I need to do? I need to go here. Now it will looking like normal only again. Now I will type here. So name as a Ram, email as a Ram at the rate gmail.com. Password is 123456. Mobile number 1234567890. When I click on the submit, what happened here? వచ్చిపోయింది ఏం చేయాలి దీనికి మరి? Why it is behaving like that? Why the form data came and gone? Already explained that point also, right? Huh? What I need to do now? Hmm? ఏంటి? ఈ డాట్ ఈ అంటే ఏంటి? Why I need to write that one? Why we are writing that particular line? E dot prevent default. Why? To hold store పక్క ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నావు? Then okay, what you are exactly telling e dot prevent default of I need to write that one. Why we are writing that line? 3 times or 4 times చెప్పుంటా same point. Why we are writing that? Why we are writing that? Why we are writing that? ఎందుకమ్మా? అరవింద్, ఎందుకు అరవింద్? హ్మ్, ఎందుకు? To avoid the form's default behavior. What is the form's default behavior when you submit that? The default behavior of the form is reset the form. Yes or no? I don't want to reset the form. I need to hold that one. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పొచ్చు hold అని చెప్పి. Okay, I don't want to reset the data again and again. I want to take that data. To see that we are going to use the e dot prevent default. Is it clear? See, to prevent the form getting reloaded to change the default behavior. ఇ- ఇవన్నీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ డోంట్ ఫర్గట్. ప్రతిది ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ అని చెప్పి రాపించలేం కదా. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు దట్ ఇస్ ఐ విల్ టెల్. ఇన్ ద మెటీరియల్స్ నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్. While we are discussing the concept, the questions will be raised like this only. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to stop the behavior of the form. Prevent default off. Now you guys can check here. Ram, gmail.com. Now you guys can check. Now it is there. Sir, then I need to empty this one. Yeah, we can easily do the empty. So after that, what you need to do the empty means again same scenario. Name ref dot current dot value equals to empty string. Now I will try that one. Done. Same like that you need to make it for the email ref, password ref, mobile number ref. Is it clear, guys? So here I'm going to write as a RAM. When I click on the submit, all data gone. Now again display me the data. This is nothing but a uncontrolled forms. Is it clear? You guys will try start doing. Now along with that you can do the task also. Okay, create multiple forms. Registration form also I want, login form also I want. Create two forms. Is it clear? కానీ ఒకే చోట డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి నాకు. మీకు రౌటింగ్ రాదు కదా, రీడైరెక్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ వెబ్ పేజ్ టు నో. సో ఎట్ ఏ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ డిస్ప్లే ఇన్ ద సేమ్ స్క్రీన్. కాలింగ్ తెలుసు కదా ఎలా పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. Don't think the task is for creating the form only. Is it clear? It doesn't mean sir told registration form, login form. Don't think like that. Just creating the form it is. Something else also there inside that. Okay? Yeah. Don't think you didn't learn that one. Already you learned everything also that one. Okay? Just I want to see how you guys are utilizing the concepts. Yeah. Sir, what is E dot prevent default works? So, who is this Nikhil? And now what is this prevent default working means? So form having the one default behavior. What is that? When you submit the data, the form should be resetted again automatically. So I don't want to reset the form because once you reset the form, the page should be starting again. So due to the reason to stop that behavior, we are using the prevent default. Is it clear, Nikhil? Yeah. ఓకే, ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటారు ఫార్మ్స్ డిజైన్ చేయడానికి? 20 minutes is enough? టూ ఫార్మ్సే కదా. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్. The time is 10. The time is 10 till 10:20. Start. టైం లిమిట్లో పెట్టబోతే మీకు చేసుకుంటానే వెళ్తారు. మొత్తం రియాక్ట్లో ఉంటాను రియాక్ట్ రన్ చేయాలి ఫోటోస్ అవ్వగానే వద్దుగానే ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇది అవ్వగానే వద్దుగా ఇప్పుడు చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఓకేనా అంతే కదా ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోండి ఏది మనం చేసే కదా క్రియేటింగ్ కూడా ప్రాపర్గా చేయాలి ఓకేనా అంటే ఎక్కువ తెల్లాము అందరూ తెచ్చుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ ప్రాఫిట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి కమాండ్ ఏంటి వైట్ ఒక రేట్ ఆఫ్ తర్వాత ఎప్పుడైతే ఇప్పుడు మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనుకుంటాం సెలెక్ట్ మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం కావాలి ఓకే ఇదేంటి ఎంపీఎం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలని ఒక నోట్స్ మార్క్ ఎస్ సార్ మీరే వెళ్తారు మీకు అందుకే కదా మీకు అట్లా ఇబ్బంది పడకూడదని చెప్పి నేను రివ్యూగా ప్రాజెక్ట్ మొత్తం ఒకే ఫోటోలో మొత్తం చెప్పచ్చు ఇప్పుడే వచ్చి మీరు ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది కదా ఈ లింకులు కాపీ కాపీ చేసిన తర్వాత నీకు నచ్చిన బ్రౌజర్కి వెళ్ళిపో ఎడ్జ్ వాడతావు క్రోమ్ వాడతావు సఫారీ వాడతావు సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే సింపుల్గా అది వాడగా తెలుస్తుంది ఎంత ఇది నీ రియాక్ట్ యాప్ ఇది రియాక్ట్ యాప్ ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేంటి ఇప్పటికంటే ఇప్పుడు విఎస్ కోడ్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలిగా అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి క్లోజ్ చేయాలి త్వరగా తర్వాత ఆపేయాలి తర్వాత నుంచి చాలా సాగుతుంది అన్కంట్రోల్ పోతుంది కదా ఎన్ని క్లిక్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ విఎస్ కోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి విఎస్ కోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి తెలుస్తాం ఇప్పుడు తీసుకో ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఏంటిది అన్కంట్రోల్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇందాక ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఏమో 9 అన్కంట్రోల్ ఫార్మ్స్ కోడ్ స్పేస్ ఎంటర్ ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటా అన్నీ వచ్చిందా అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ నుంచి నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ రన్ చేసుకోవాలంటే అలా అంటారంటే నేను ఐడెంటిటీ క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ టెర్మినల్ ఉంటుంది, న్యూ టెర్మినల్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకెళ్ళి కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ తప్పకుండా ఆరో ఉంటుంది. కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇక్కడ నేను npm రన్ మళ్ళీ నీకు ఎన్ని వారాలు కాపీ రాష్ట్రం ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది చెప్ప, ఇది యుఐ. అవును రాయాలి కదా కోడ్, కోడ్ రాయాలి కదా. ట్రై అరవింద్, అరవింద్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్. కష్టం. రేపటి నుంచి లాస్ట్ లో కూర్చోవడం అందరూ ముందరికి వచ్చి కూర్చోండి. ముందరికి రండి, అందరూ ముందర ఇంటి పెన్సిల్ కాదు. ఏం చేసుకుంటారు లాస్ట్ లో? ఇద్దరు స్కూల్లో ఇది ముందర పరిగెత్తారు బయటికి. We can do Ray, but we will not do any validation inside the control forms because we will use just controlled forms only. So there we will see the validations. Uncontrolled we will not use. Just for a purpose we are using. Guys, last 10 minutes. Choose type చేయకూడదు. Yeah, guys, last 2 minutes.